Hello colleagues, this is Mr. Oza here. In this video I'm going to show you the new Lawrence High School website, and I'm also going to show you how to create your own teacher profile so that you can have your own little spot of the web here on the Lawrence High School website. So the first thing that you can do is just go to lawrencehs.org. You can see that is our new URL, and obviously the site looks beautiful. You have this nice rotating group of images showing some spots around campus, and you can do all of this exploration on your own. I'm going to try to keep this video quick just to some instructions for how to create your own teacher profile. So go ahead and explore all of this on your own, but if you're looking for the HLC website, you can click this link right here in the corner. And here we have it. As I show you this, please remember that if you have any suggestions for how we should customize this site, if you have any ideas on what can be better, then just let me know and I can do my best to make all of those changes. So here we have the home page, some basic information. We do have a link to our HLC photo gallery, which of course will bring us to this site, which has photos from the last 8 years. All right, a quick about page, which has some information about the program. We have a message from the principal. And this is where you'll find news, the latest news articles. This is where I will go in and post any information about what's happening in your classes, along with some photos to go along with it. And then you have a list of administrators and lists of the support staff and teachers, which you can look at as well. So you'll see that all of these staff members, they don't have any pictures uploaded yet, and they don't have their own staff, pages yet, except for, here I'll show you my example of what a personalized profile looks like. So, if I go and click on Mr. Brown, for example, this is what you'll see. Just, an empty picture and this form. So any student or any teacher can go on to the site, look you up, and send you an email using this form below. But if you want, and remember, this is 100% optional, you don't have to do this, unless you want to. You can create a profile for yourself that looks a little something like this. So if I go on the staff page and I look myself up right here, you can create a little About Me page. Some information that I just kind of put together. Some links, just some interesting links that I thought might be worth sharing if somebody decided to look me up, a personal website, some stuff on YouTube, some videos that I've made for students before, and of course the email contact, right? So if anybody wants to contact me, like you saw before, they will have this this method of contacting you. It should be pretty easy, and you can put in some contact information. Again, remember, completely optional, but your phone number if you want, your room number, where you got your degrees from, stuff like that, all of that stuff you can put on there. So I will show you now how you can go about making this page for yourself. All you need to do is go to the following URL, admin.lawrencehs.org. So once again, that's admin.lawrencehs.org. All right, you're going to click on, you can type in your username, which is just going to be your first name dot last name, and then forgot password, right? So you don't have a password yet. So when you click on this forgot password link, you put in your email address, put in this verification code, and it's going to reset your password. It's going to give you your password so that you can log in. So once you do have your account credentials using this function, then you'll be able to log in. So let's do that now. All right, and you'll end up at a page that looks a little something like this. Mine might look a little bit different because of my kind of privileges as a website editor. I might have some more options in here, but the first thing that I suggest you do, again, remember, all of this is optional. This is just kind of a fun project you can do to have your own little web space if you want to, but in the top right corner, you can update your profile. Click on My Profile right here. This is where you can upload a photo. You can create a title for yourself. I like to go by Mr. You can put your information about your education level right here. If you want, of course, your room number if you want, your phone number if you want, and then all of that information will automatically show up on your profile page. Once you do all of that, of course, you can change your password if you want. That's definitely worth doing. You're going to see on the left side this My Stuff area, and this is where you can really do as much or as little as you want. So, if when you click on My Profile, a new tab will open up that'll show you what your profile looks like. All right. First thing that you probably want to do is click on here on where it says My Pages, and this pop-up will come up showing, do you want to use the old page editor or the new page editor? And I always click on use the new page editor because it's a little bit easier. And so you'll be able to just kind of show whatever you want in this About Me page. You can just kind of go in, and I can just edit this as much as I want. And then if you want to like put in any links or anything, you can do that. And then this bottom button right here, this red button, if you click on that and you turn off the editing function, now I'm just interacting with the website like normally, just like as it is, as it would appear to any viewer, right? So yeah, you definitely want to use that new page editor to go through everything. But I already have these pages that I've made. How did I create this About Me page and this links page, right? You want to click on My Pages, and you can add, you can add pages. Up here in the corner, I have this About Me page, this links page. I don't use the calendar page. I'm not sure why it's there, but you can create a new page. I suggest the simplest thing to do is just like an About Me, put in a paragraph or so if you want to share any information about yourself, and that's enough. And you can change the order or create a new page right here. And the default pages there are going to be calendar and links. So I don't think it's really super necessary to create a calendar, but as you can see, I just clicked over here where it says My Calendar. You can add some events. Maybe you have some special event that you want to put out there for the world to see. You can do it here. And then My Links, if you have some interesting links to either kind of like promote yourself, your own personal web page, your LinkedIn profile, maybe you want to put something like that up there. Or if you feel like sharing any of your like social media having to do with the school, maybe you have like a school like Instagram page or Facebook account that you want to share, then you can put it all right here, right? And that's really all there is to it. You're creating pages and then you're putting information on those pages. So I want to try to keep this video short. I don't want to, go on and on and on and on. But if you have any questions, then, please let me know. I'm happy to help out. And if you want to make your page look a little something like this and you need a little guidance, we can definitely work on that together. But very exciting news. I feel like this is a beautiful website. It looks great. It encompasses the entire Lawrence High campus as well as us. So here's our little corner spot right here, HLC, and this is what you're going to see if you're looking at the HLC website. Home, About, Principal's Message, and News. So if you have any suggestions about like the meat and potatoes really that we want to have, that we put out there for the world, any suggestions, let me know. I can make that happen. And especially any news items and photos, send that to me whenever you can, email or text, whatever you prefer, and I can put it up here. And it'll be nice and easy for me to do that with this new website that we have. So thank you for watching this video. Hope it wasn't too long. And if you need any help, then y'all let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.